Gorgeous 2-bedroom/2-bath residence offering the perfect blend of location, comfort, and modern living. This beautifully updated apartment features a spacious living room, a primary suite with ensuite bath, a second bedroom and bathroom and an in-unit laundry, updated bathrooms and kitchen, an oversized balcony right off the living room and an additional balcony, all nestled in a serene, tree-lined neighborhood just minutes from Miami's vibrant urban core. Enjoy your own 2 private balconies plus access to a shared garden, ideal for relaxing or entertaining. The apartment is filled with natural light and includes impact windows and doors throughout for safety and energy efficiency, along with a dedicated parking space for added convenience. Prime location, situated just half a block north of picturesque Coral Way, this property offers a peaceful residential setting while remaining moments from Brickell, downtown Miami, Little Havana, Key Biscayne, and Miami International Airport. Experience the best of city living with quick access to dining, shopping.